Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Got my whole new stable of butane torch lighters. These are all triple torch varieties. And the reason that I got off onto this, I've been wanting something to replace these Ronson JetLites. They work great. The tanks just aren't very big, and I've used them so much that I've worn several of them out. But really good lighters, and they'll do the job for what I need to heat up dab straws and that sort of thing. But these triple torches are a little bit more up for the job. They're perfect for the size of dab straws that I typically use. And these lighters have a little bit bigger fuel tank than is available in this Ronson JetLite, or at least it seems so to me. The only question is, will these hold up as well and be able to use them for as long a period of time as I have the JetLites, the half a dozen or so of those that I have and have used for so long. The reason that I bought the Vertigo lighter, I just happened to run into that at the checkout at a store, and that was the same brand as this one, which you've probably seen in a few other videos. And this lighter worked great when we first got it. The piezo ignition system in it, well, it feels kind of clunky here now that it's not working right. It was so smooth when I first got it. You know, the piezo ignitions sometimes seem clunky. These and these LC Fun branded torches off of Amazon, they're pretty good. They don't feel all that clunky, but you get that a lot. And with this Vertigo lighter, it worked great, and I didn't feel like I had to deal with that. But then I ended up putting this through the washing machine, and it worked for a while after that, but it was at best igniting every other press of the button, and then after a while it quit working altogether. So when I ran into this one at the checkout the other day, I definitely was willing to give one of these Vertigo branded torches another try. And this one, I believe they were asking $13 there at the checkout, so I went for it. And at that same time, I had already ordered these two off of Amazon for a total price of $14, free shipping. And I've already used one of these pretty extensively. Had to refill it once, and then the other one we just refilled while making another video right before this video. But we're going to see how all three of these hold up over time. I'm sure they're all Chinese made products. The LC Fun branded lighter is definitely made in China. I can't remember now whether I saw that on the listing or somewhere here. Oh no, it was on the label on the back, made in China. So there you go. Something else that I'd forgotten about and I didn't mention in the other video for actually reviewing and demonstrating how to fill up and use one of these is that there is a cigar cutter integrated into the bottom of the lighter case. So that could benefit you for a number of reasons. Maybe for its intended purpose of, well, I'm not sure if, I'm not a cigar smoker, so I don't know if that's to cut the end out that you're sucking on or the end that you're lighting. But having something like that, a little sharp implement on that lighter, could help you with other modes of consuming combustible products. So anyway, keep that in mind. little cutter tool integrated into the bottom of it. And as we mentioned in the other video, when you press the button to light it, the lid comes up. Nice little feature. If you get used to using one of these and then flip back to the Vertigo or similar lighter. Now something else good about the Vertigo lighters, which both of them that I've had were that way, is that you can see the fuel supply. And this fuel supply tank is separated. I believe it's the one closest to the piezo ignition button there that is most crucial. I don't know the reasons why you have that separated. Seems like some butane lighters are like that, others are not. These do not have a visible fuel supply. You can peel this little guard off of here. Did it on the other one, or one of them, whichever one I had out first. There we go. And that shows you the inner workings of the triple torch. And I'm assuming this is basically just to keep your fingers off of that. And I've noticed that that does get somewhat hot. Very hot at times. Probably one of the reasons why they're telling you to try not to light it for more than 10 seconds at a time. But sometimes that can't be helped. You guys let me know as well what kind of butane you use. I've strictly used this Vector now for probably since about 2020, 4 years or so. I haven't had any problem with it. But if there's another one out there that you feel is better, let me know. Willing to consider them, especially for the price. I'm going to have to purchase some soon, so. But so far so good. This Vertigo lighter is definitely working as well as I had hoped. Hopefully now I can just keep it out of the washing machine, which I was not able to do with the other. Very similar design, just this newer one that I just bought is a little bigger. Just as smooth functioning though. And then these two that are Chinese made, branded LC Fun. All triple torches that I think are going to work just fine. We'll see how dependable they are. Until next time.